Every night you close your eyes, a silent war is waged inside your body. A battle between cellular regeneration and systemic decay. For men over 40, losing this battle doesn't just mean feeling tired. It means actively accelerating the aging process at a microscopic level. The enemy isn't external. It's a deficit in the most powerful biological repair cycle known to science. Deep REM sleep. Inside your skull, a nightly cleaning crew is supposed to be hard at work. As cited by researchers at top-tier institutions, the glymphatic system is your brain's unique waste disposal process, flushing out toxic metabolic byproducts that accumulate during waking hours. This system only activates during deep sleep. When you miss that window, toxins like amyloid beta, the plaque implicated in severe cognitive decline, remain, literally clogging your neural pathways and impairing memory and focus. Chronic inflammation is the silent arsonist behind nearly every age-related disease, from heart conditions to joint pain. Insufficient deep sleep is like pouring gasoline on that fire. During restorative sleep, your body actively suppresses inflammatory proteins called cytokines. Without this nightly reset, these inflammatory agents run rampant, attacking healthy tissues, your blood vessels, your gut lining, even your DNA, leading to systemic, low-grade inflammation that you feel as stiffness, brain fog, and persistent fatigue. For a man, hormonal balance is everything. Over 70% of your daily human growth hormone, essential for repairing muscle and maintaining bone density, is released during the first cycle of deep sleep. Furthermore, fragmented sleep directly crushes testosterone production. The result is a devastating feedback loop. You lose muscle mass, gain visceral fat, your energy plummets, and your drive vanishes. This isn't just feeling older. It's a measurable biochemical collapse orchestrated by a lack of restorative sleep. The battle for your health is won or lost in the hours before you even get into bed. Reclaiming your deep sleep requires a precise, non-negotiable protocol. First, your nutritional shutdown. 3 hours before bed, you must eliminate all high glycemic carbohydrates and sugars. These foods spike your blood sugar and insulin, which directly counteracts the release of melatonin and growth hormone. Instead, if you need a snack, consume 1 ounce of walnuts or almonds. They provide magnesium, a critical mineral for muscle relaxation and calming the nervous system without the disruptive insulin surge. Second, environmental control. An hour before bed, your war on blue light begins. All screens off. Switch your home lighting to dim, warm-colored bulbs. The most critical step is temperature. Your body's core temperature must drop to initiate deep sleep. Set your thermostat to between 65 and 68 degrees Fahrenheit, or 18 to 20 degrees Celsius. This mimics the natural temperature drop of our ancestral environment and is a powerful signal for your brain to begin its sleep cycle. Third, a specific supplement to consider for its role in neurotransmitter function is glycine. 3 grams of glycine powder mixed in a small amount of water 30 to 60 minutes before bed has been studied for its ability to lower core body temperature and promote a state of calm by increasing serotonin levels without causing grogginess. These are not suggestions. They are strategic biological commands to force your body into a state of maximum regeneration.